Budgets can be changed by users with budget owner or admin roles only. There are two ways to adjust budget details. You can change a budget within the Budgets page by navigating to the desired budget and changing fields inline, where there is a pencil showing on hover. You can also change the budget details by clicking on the budget name and changing the budget details within the sidebar. Here, all fields are editable. Please note, when you make changes to existing budget amounts, such as increase or decrease dispersed amount or delete the budget altogether, notifications will be sent to all team members, unless they have unsubscribed from budget updates.